Quick daily market analysis for Tuesday, April the 21st. Hi guys, I'm Don, I'm a financial analyst and a trader. And American markets closed down right across the board today. That's on the back of oil pushing up around 5% in intraday trading. That's as we had also news out there with tensions again escalating in the Middle East as apparently Iran wasn't sending a delegation to the peace talks there in Pakistan. As a result, their sort of traders took a risk-off position and sold stocks. We did have news out there that the CEO of Apple has resigned. Tim Cook has passed the torch on to a newcomer there. As a consequence, the stock dropped over 2% in trading. Also, analysts flag concerns about the upcoming quarter, believing that the company will miss on estimates. And over to European markets where stocks fell as well. That's on investor concern about the rising oil price there and its continued pressure on inflation there and the associated economic fallout. We did have German investor morale coming in there at its lowest point in 3 years. And over to UK markets where stocks fell as well. That's as investors are concerned over the continued elevation of inflation there coming in from that oil spike. We did have also businesses laying off 11,000 workers in the month of March, much worse than sort of forecasted there. And obviously investors took that as another negative sign for the economy. And lastly, over to Canada's TSX, where the index dropped well over 1.5%. That's on the back of a weak performance of the financial sector. We also had the energy sector there making significant gains there on that rising oil price, offsetting some of those losses. And we had concern around the U.S. Secretary of Commerce Howard Lutnick out criticizing the Canadian delegation's trade approach there. Obviously, analysts are very concerned. Analysts and economists are very concerned about the outcome of sort of any trade deal, as no trade deal with the Americans will definitely cause a recession.